Here is how I lost $300 trading the Nasdaq last night. So coming into the day, I was actually looking at the market on my phone again. I was at the gym, but I looked at it and I was thinking we are setting up for nice shorts. But because the past week it's just been all-time highs, all-time highs, all-time highs, automatically I was bullish, but while actually analyzing I was bearish. I ended up taking longs today, but there were some nice shorts that I missed. So what I was looking at was there was this 4-hour gap that we were inside, and then this 15-minute rejection block that I wanted to see, longs off of, which was really stupid. This was very much a pattern trade because we've been bullish for so long. That even though I came into the market thinking we were going to see some nice shorts, I waited for longs because we've been at all-time highs conditions for ages. Anyway, so the 15-minute rejection block, and I waited to see CE get hit. I didn't place any limits. I was making market orders off these, so I was pretty much just watching like how price was setting up beforehand, the 5-minute and everything inside, which we had this rejection block off market open, but I faded this one. Just didn't seem right. Another thing that should have told me that shorts were the play here was when manipulated to the upside right off market open, right? Took out London highs, and that should have told me market was going to go lower, but it kind of just went right over my head. I was too focused on this rejection block, CE and whatever, jumped down to the 1 minute. So yeah, looked at this, thought, oh yeah, potentially we could reverse now. We also had just taken London low, so saw the 1 minute sweep this, and then I drew out my fib from, this low up to where it started retracing, and on the next candle at the 0.705 level is where I entered with my stop just at the most recent low, and then I was targeting this most recent high. Doesn't play out, I get stopped out, and now by this time it is also like it's 10 AM open, so there, 10 AM. This something that also should have told me that we were going to continue lower was the fact that we had 10 AM open and expand higher first, because it's a new 4-hour candle. The 10 AM is always a new 4-hour candle, so this should have told me that we were going to go lower. We manipulated again higher, putting in that top wick on the 4-hour. I find it right here. Yeah, we put in that top wick and then closed lower, or expanded lower, right? So also should have probably told me that we were going to go lower. I should have waited for that, or actually did proper analysis rather than just looking over the chart, automatically assuming bullishness. But yeah, I mean, really not much there. There was not much like for me to have done. I took my trade, got out, got stopped out, and I was done for the night. So lesson learned, not to pattern trade. I've been falling into that habit recently, not too much, but mostly because market all-time highs. So now I'm made aware of that, I can adjust, and I'm gonna make some fucking money this week. So let's trade recap. 300 down in the day, but it's only the start of the week. We still got the rest of the week ahead. Hopefully we can see something. PPI and core PCE or something, I think. We have PPI today. Oh, we have Fed chair nomination today. I thought that was yesterday. Okay, that's been moved so many times. It was Monday, then it became Tuesday, now it's Wednesday. We got core retail sales tomorrow. Not a bad trading week, so we'll see if there's any more setups.